Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all y'all doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Today is National Zucchini Bread Day. So today, in honor of that, I'm going to share with all y'all an amazing and flavorful zucchini bread. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it's going to be full of spices and fresh zucchini. And this quick bread is a perfect treat for the spring and summertime. Y'all gonna love and enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my breads recipes playlist, my banana zucchini bread recipe, and my previous video, hummingbird cake. I'll post a link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your loaf pan, your spices, and grate up your zucchini sugar, because we're about to bake some zucchini bread magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up the dry ingredients. In my bowl, I have 1 3/4 cup of bread flour. And over here I have some yummy spices. 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon each of salt, baking powder, and baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon each of ground nutmeg and ground ginger, and a pinch each of ground cloves and ground allspice. We're going to sift these together. Alright, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, we're going to add in a 1/2 cup each of white sugar and packed light brown sugar. And in 2 our sugars, we're going to add in 1 extra large egg at room temperature, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and a 1/2 cup of applesauce. This is going to make our bread super moist. I'm using the regular, or you can use cinnamon flavor or the unsweetened. We're going to whisk all these ingredients together until they're well combined. Alright my friends, now we're going to slowly add in the dry ingredients. And continue whisking until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up my batter. This is what it looks like. Super thick. That looks great. Now it's time to add in our last ingredient, which is the star of the show. The zucchini. We're going to add in 1 cup of fresh zucchini that I grated. And I left the skins on. And all we do is fold the zucchini in until it's well incorporated. Smells good. Can smell all the spices. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up the batter. And how simple and easy is that? Easy peasy. And no mixer required. Alright, now ready to pour it into our loaf pan. We're going to pour it in a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan that I greased with baking spray. Alright, so I'm going to shake it and bang it to get the air bubbles out. Now we're ready to put this in the oven. We're going to put it in a preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 45 to 55 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have taken my zucchini bread out of the oven. It smells heavenly. Nice and golden brown. I just love the smell of freshly baked bread. Alright, so now I'm going to let the bread cool for about 20 minutes into the pan, and then after 20 minutes, I'm going to remove it from the pan and place it onto my cake stand. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, our zucchini bread is nice and cool. Now time for the fun part. Time to cut it in slices. I want to show y'all how moist it is. Smells good. Oh yeah. Nice and tender. And there you have it, my friends. Zucchini bread. Doesn't that look good? And look at the specks of zucchini inside. Can't wait to dig in. All right, so now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. That looks super tasty. And I forgot to mention, you can jazz up your zucchini bread by adding some chocolate chips or some walnuts or pecans to give it a little extra flavor. All right, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Fluffy. Oh, I can taste the spices. It's bursting with flavor. This is magnificent, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Zucchini breadlicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.